Hello everyone, happy Friday, December 31st. We're coming in on 2022. I'm so excited. I think it's going to be a great year for all of us. Let's talk about inflation. Inflation is working a little differently these days due to the pandemic. Because the U.S. was able to develop and distribute vaccines fast enough to safely reopen its economy, we rebounded more quickly than other countries throughout the rest of the world. And because we have all been participating in a global economy since the turn of the century, there has been a marked shortage of supplies. Suppliers such as China and India have not recovered as quickly as their manufacturing capabilities have been suppressed, creating a bottleneck in the supply chain. As a result, Americans have experienced shortage of goods ranging from toilet paper to microchips for cars. All issues that drive up costs. The goods that are being produced are not getting distributed quickly due to disruptions in shipping and transportation. Shortages in the labor market further exacerbate these problems. Workers are insisting on higher wages now that bargaining chips are in their corner. Furthermore, the worker pool has shrunk, following a wave of older workers who retired during the pandemic. Despite these problems, America is still undergoing an economic boom. The 12-month inflation rate increased by 6.2%, while wages only increased 5.8%, increasing that's not quite on par with the pace of inflation. A product that cost $10 in October of 2020 would have increased to $10.62 by this past October. Clearly, not everything associated with inflation is bad. It is often an indicator that the economy is growing, and while rising prices may hurt consumers, they can benefit investors. Remember, to those of you that are clients, together we designed a plan of action that is appropriate for your stage in life and your retirement goals. If you have any questions anytime, especially about inflation, or have any questions about anything, please give me a call, shoot me an email, or click the link below and schedule a visit here in the office. Again, being the end of 2021, I want to thank all of you that are clients for the chance to be and the opportunity to be of service. With that, have a blessed Friday and a happy and blessed New Year. Bye-bye.